Good evening, everyone. Thanks a lot for staying with us. I'm Shivani Gupta. Has it become fashionable to play on Hindu sentiments, appease them through temple visits and promises before elections, even if you oppose issues close to Hindu community or play them down? Well, that question has turned up again with Arvind Kejriwal, Delhi Chief Minister, visiting Ram Lalla in Ayodhya as UP elections come nearer. In the past, Kejriwal and Aam Aadmi Party have discredited the Ram Janmabhoomi movement by pitching it versus development, as if development and religious sentiments cannot go hand in hand. Those who stayed away from the movement even derided Hindu sentiments for wanting a temple in Ayodhya are now making a beeline for the temple and the darshan. First up, here is what Arvind Kejriwal said and the response that has come in from the other side.
आज मुझे सौभाग्य प्राप्त हुआ राम जन्मभूमि में श्री रामचंद्र जी के दर्शन करने का। दिल्ली के अंदर हमारी एक योजना है, मुख्यमंत्री तीर्थ यात्रा योजना। उस योजना के तहत हम दिल्ली वासियों को तीर्थ यात्रा का फ्री में हम लोग उनको तीर्थ यात्रा करवाते हैं। तो कल सुबह हमने स्पेशल कैबिनेट मीटिंग रखी है अपनी दिल्ली में 11 बजे। उसमें हम कल अयोध्या को भी उसमें ऐड करेंगे उस लिस्ट में।
केजरीवाल जी ने भी जो है मंदिर बनाने का कभी समर्थन वहां नहीं किया। जो लोग भी दर्शन करने जा रहे हैं उनको कायदे से ये बोलना चाहिए कि हम पहले जो कह रहे थे वो गलत था और उसके लिए उनको माफी भी मांगनी चाहिए और तब भगवान श्री राम के दर्शन करने चाहिए। चुनाव को मुद्दा बना करके अगर लेकर के जा रहे हैं तो वो गलतफहमी के शिकार है।
Now, here is a reminder of some statements that have been made by Arvind Kejriwal in the past over the Ram Temple issue. Rahul visits temples and Modi ji visits mosques. Nation building won't happen that way. My grandmother, he said once, says that Ram cannot reside in someone else's broken mosque. The question will naturally arise, why is he visiting the Ram Lalla now? And he has also said, India will not progress if a temple, mosque or statue is built, but if schools, hospitals and bridges are built. There are ministers in his cabinet in Delhi who have also questioned why a temple is so necessary. Why can't we build some other facility in Ayodhya? So ahead of UP elections, a hard turn right by the opposition. In fact, the Aam Aadmi Party, even from those who believed in it, have raised the question if they're playing too much on the soft Hindutva card now, on the back of what several other opposition parties have done. First up, joining me is Kapil Mishra, leader of the BJP, who knows a thing or two about what the AAP stood for. Kapil, अरविंद केजरीवाल रामलला के दर्शन के लिए जाते हैं तो उससे आपको क्या तकलीफ है, क्या दिक्कत है?
नहीं शिवानी, हमें तो कोई तकलीफ ही नहीं है। हम तो स्वागत कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि आज अयोध्या में रामलला के दर्शन का मतलब केवल भगवान राम के आगे सिर झुकाना नहीं है। अयोध्या में रामलला के आगे जो भी सिर झुकाता है उसका सिर अपने आप 6 दिसंबर 1992 को जो ऐतिहासिक घटना हुई उसके आगे झुकता है। बाबरी के विध्वंस को प्रमाणित करना, उसके आगे नमन करना, चाहे फिर वो कारसेवक हों जो अपने घर से एक एक ईंट लेकर गए थे, जो पूरा राम मंदिर का आंदोलन चला था संघ का, विश्व हिंदू परिषद का इस देश में, उस सबके आगे ये सिर झुक रहा है। और मुझे लगता है कि चाहे वो केजरीवाल हों या राहुल गांधी हों या अखिलेश यादव, जिनके पिता ने गोलियां चलवाई थी कार सेवकों के ऊपर, आज इन सबका सिर जब अयोध्या में रामलला के सामने झुकता है तो ये पूरा बाबरी विध्वंस, राम जन्मभूमि आंदोलन, कार सेवकों का त्याग, बलिदान और शौर्य, उसके आगे झुके हुए सिर हैं और इसे देखकर मुझे प्रसन्नता होती है। साथ में मैं एक चीज और कहना चाहता हूं कि वीर सावरकर ने बहुत पहले कहा था कि जिस दिन हिंदू जगने लगे उस दिन ये सभी हिंदू विरोधी लोग अपने कुर्ते के ऊपर जनेऊ पहनकर घूमेंगे। वही हाल इस वक्त केजरीवाल, राहुल गांधी और अखिलेश यादव का हो रहा है। और एक चीज और ये कहना चाहता हूं साथ में कि जब लोग केवल चुनाव के लिए, छल और प्रपंच के लिए राम का नाम जपते हैं तो देश की जनता बहुत समझदार है। वो जानती है कि आप दिल्ली में तो मौलानाओं को तनख्वाह देते हो, दिल्ली में तो आप ये बोलते हो कि मंदिर बनना ही नहीं चाहिए था, उसकी जगह कोई अस्पताल बनना चाहिए था। आज अस्पताल भी अयोध्या में बन रहा है, मंदिर भी अयोध्या में बन रहा है। और जो कहते थे कि राम मंदिर से रोटी कैसे मिलेगी, वो संजय सिंह और मनीष सिसोदिया तो मंदिर में बैठ के पूरी सब्जी खा रहे थे राम मंदिर में, तो रोटी का पूड़ियां मिल रही है वहां मंदिर में। तो मुझे ये लगता है कि ये राजनीति का एक और चेहरा है।
नहीं, राजनीति अगर इसमें है कपिल, तो क्या आप मानते हैं कि जो सारी पार्टीज आप कह रहे हैं, जो भी बीजेपी विरोधी पार्टीज हैं, या राम टेम्पल मूवमेंट विरोधी पार्टी थी, उनका असली में मन बदला है या ये चुनाव के लिए है? और आप कह रहे जनता जनार्दन को पता है कि असलियत क्या है, तो क्या ये दिखावा है या सच में मन बदला है लोगों का?
अगर सच में मन बदला है तो काशी और मथुरा के ऊपर इनको बयान देने चाहिए कि ये क्या सोचते हैं। अयोध्या में तो बन गया जो बनना था। अगर सच में मन बदला है तो अपने अपने राज्यों में जो तुष्टीकरण की राजनीति हो रही है, कहीं पर मौलानाओं को तनख्वाह दी जा रही है, कहीं पर रोहिंग्या और बांग्लादेशियों को बसाया जा रहा है, उसके बारे में खुलकर सामने आना जरूरी होगा। अगर सच में मन बदला है तो हिंदू विरोध की जितनी भी और बातें हो रही हैं, चाहे वो भारतीय संस्कृति का विरोध हो, भारतीय सभ्यता का विरोध हो, इस सब के बारे में पब्लिक स्टेटमेंट अभी से आने चाहिए। राम मंदिर बनने के बाद वहां जा रहे हो, कृष्ण मंदिर बनने के बाद मथुरा चले जाओगे, शिव मंदिर बनने के बाद काशी चले जाओगे, लेकिन पहले स्टैंड कब लोगे? अगर आपका हृदय बदला है तो आतंकवाद पे आपका स्टैंड भी बदलना चाहिए। तो मुझे यह लगता है कि डेफिनेटली चुनावी हिंदू बनकर घूम रहे हैं, लेकिन मंदिर में जाना पड़ा, यह हिंदुत्व की जीत है और यह राष्ट्रीय स्वयंसेवक संघ के राम मंदिर आंदोलन की जीत है।
Thank you, Kapil, for joining us. This is the big question that we're going to take forward with our other panelists as well. Is it to BJP's credit that even the opposition has to do a hard turn right ahead of elections, especially in Uttar Pradesh, but we've seen this play out in other states as well? Ratan Sharda, author and RSS researcher, is joining us. Abhishek Sudhir, political analyst. Deepak Bajpai, spokesperson of the Aam Aadmi Party, will be with us, and Anila Singh, spokesperson of the BJP, is with us. Abhishek, is it not to BJP's credit? Can we at least accept, will you accept as a political analyst that today Indian polity has become right of center? Every party has to follow that.
No, I don't accept that. On Saturday, Yogi Adityanath called the opposition Ram Drohi. He uses charged words like this, and people like Arvind Kejriwal and Priyanka Gandhi fall into that trap. You've not seen Mr. Akhilesh Yadav peddle any sort of soft Hindutva. Mr. Yadav is keeping the focus on development. He's keeping the focus on price rise. He's keeping the focus on the fact that the BJP has not met any of the promises it made in its manifesto. Shivani, an LPG cylinder is almost 1,000 rupees. We need to be talking about this. Fuel is well over 100 rupees. We need to be talking about this. These are the issues that the principal opposition party, the only opposition party that matters in Uttar Pradesh, is talking about.
So you're saying Aam Aadmi Party is playing soft Hindutva with an eye on elections?
Who cares? Aam Aadmi Party does not matter in Uttar Pradesh. They've never won a seat here, and they're certainly not going to win a seat in 2022. It's BJP versus SP. That's the main event. That's the big bout. That's the big fight. The rest are all sideshows. They're just appetizers. The main course is yet to come. It's the politics of hate versus the politics of development. It's the politics of hate of the BJP versus the politics of development of Mr. Akhilesh Yadav. That's all that's going to matter. That's the contest that matters.
Ratan Sharda, what do we make with so many temple runs being done ahead of elections, state election after state election, by opposition parties who generally shy away from, being seen as close to, let's say, the Hindu community or Hindu causes? They proclaim to be secular, but when it comes to elections, it's about visiting temples.
See, Shivani, the point is that you must credit RSS, VHP rather than BJP. For people who ridiculed RSS, who said Tariq nahi batayenge, mandir mein banayenge, all the kind of ridiculous. Then there are people of SP party who killed car sevaks and boasted we'll do it again. With this kind of approach to Hindus, you suddenly find that now you cannot insult Hindus. You must respect Hindu sentiments. This is the change brought over by VHP, RSS and BJP. And this change is an effect of many years of struggle. And Ram Temple itself is the sign of Hindu society coming strong, and Hindu society not will take any insult anymore. So they travel to all these temples. They are welcome to travel the temples because they shows, as I said, that Hindu sentiments cannot be played around. Secondly, these people said we'll make colleges, but the same AAP has not made a single college, not added many hospitals, not added much facilities in Delhi. They talk about it all over. They talk about Punjab, they talk about UP. It is not question of AAP being important to UP. It is a question of AAP trying to play the major political party by making these statements. Of course, they will.
No, the question is larger. Whether this is the formula for the opposition parties. Now, Abhishek,
yes, it will not work.
No, Abhishek, you say
that seasonal Hindus don't work. See, seasonal Hinduism doesn't work. You have to show commitment, which only BJP showed. They showed the spine. They showed the courage to stand up to their beliefs. They paid heavy prices, losing 3 governments in 1991, 92, we should not forget it. And that sacrifice they made, in which they were in wilderness in UP for long years. Now when the temple is coming up, people
Now
are
when
not
it
going to
is
forget
fashionable,
who
or
paid the price.
when the issue has already been decided, you come on board, or at least try to milk it for elections. Abhishek, you claim that the Samajwadi Party does not do it, but its chief, Akhilesh Yadav, visited Hindu pilgrimage centers like Ayodhya, Chitrakoot across Uttar Pradesh. He has met saints, seers on a regular basis. He has been invoking Hindu deities, Ram, Krishna, Hanuman, Parshuram. Political observers, in fact, have gone on to say that this is also soft Hindutva of Akhilesh Yadav, of Samajwadi Party, which in the past, when it was in power, was seen absolutely antithetical to these political issues.
Yeah. Can I respond? Shivani, I am happy to send you my tickets. I'm going to Chitrakoot, I'm going to Prayagraj, and I'm going to Banaras in 2 weeks. I'm taking my family there for Diwali. But I oppose the demolition of the Babri Masjid. I continue to oppose it.
It is not about you as a person, Abhishek. It is about parties and its
I'm
leaders.
a proud Hindu. Mr. Yadav is a proud Hindu, but he doesn't have to use.
No, Mr.
He doesn't have to use his Hinduism for hate.
It was never
He does not have to use his Hinduism for hate. Please don't interrupt me, sir. I did not interrupt you. Please,
Destroyed.
Shivani, please, I didn't
Babri
interrupt
Masjid
you.
was not a Babri Masjid.
No,
I didn't interrupt you.
what I want to
insulting
say
the
is that, Abhishek, this is
You
not
are
about you
insulting the
or
court.
anybody else as a person. We are talking about religiosity being used in politics.
Shivani, it's
I
3 against
counted,
1. If you
I have
should allow
shown
me
to
to
you
at
what
least
Akhilesh Yadav has been up to. He's also
Yeah.
promised
Are you
pilgrimages.
telling me
He's promised to
Yadav-
bring back a
are you
Hindu
telling me
festival
Yadav
as
doesn't
a
have the right
holiday.
to go to Hindu pilgrimage sites? Is
Now
Mr.
you bring in
Yadav not a Hindu?
casteism.
Am I not a Hindu?
Now
Because
you're
we don't
bringing in
support the BJP, we are
casteism.
not Hindus? Are you
He
saying
is
we are
bringing
not
I'm not
Hindus
saying that
because
at
we don't
all.
support the BJP?
The question that I'm asking you, apart from your
I'm
personal
a proud
beliefs,
Hindu.
sir, in politics, is it just okay to play on these sentiments without actually standing for these sentiments?
Shivani, it is Yogi Adityanath who plays on these sentiments. It's the BJP. The BJP went from 2
So
seats
Supreme
to
Court is playing
282
with Hindu
because they brought
sentiments.
down a mosque.
He wants to say that Supreme Court played with the sentiment of Hindus. Do you mean to say that Supreme Court played
The
politics
Supreme
by
Court
allowing
said
Hindus to
that
build
the
a
mosque
temple?
should not have been
Was
brought down.
Supreme
The
Court
Supreme
playing
Court has
politics when
clearly
it said
said
there was never a
by
mosque?
demolishing
It
the
was a
mosque that
temple
was a
on which the
criminal
mosque
act.
was
The
made.
trial is
You are
going on.
trying to
It was
absolve the invaders of their sin of destroying Ram temple, and you are
My
saying that it was
friend,
Babri mosque. You are insulting all the Hindus.
You
That
are
is
a
the
Hindu.
problem.
I am
You
a
will
Hindu.
not agree
You
that
have a
there is a Ram
militant
temple.
idea
Then
of
how can
Hinduism.
you
I have a
respect
tolerant idea
Hindus?
of Hinduism.
You are not respecting
Your
Hindus
idea of
by
Hinduism
saying
versus
it was
my
Babri
idea
One
of
Masjid.
second.
Courts don't
Let
So
the
does
people
the
decide.
Courts didn't agree.
Tolerant idea of
No.
Hinduism mean you mock Hindu sentiments, but you also expect them to vote
Who
for
is
you? Is
mocking
that the
Hindu
tolerant
sentiments?
idea of Hindu
Who
sentiments?
has
When-
mocked? Has Mr. Akhilesh Yadav mocked Hindus?
When
Has
you
Mr.
call it
Akhilesh
Babri
Yadav ever
Masjid, you are
mocked
mocking
Hinduism?
at Hindus. Because courts have
When
also
you
agreed
demolish
it was
a
Ram
mosque,
temple.
when you demolish
It
a
was given
mosque,
by
you bring
solid
shame to
evidence.
me as a Hindu.
Are you saying
When you
that
demolish a
Supreme
mosque, you bring
Court-
shame to me as a
Are you
Hindu.
saying that
You
Supreme
disgrace
Court
my
was wrong?
faith. You disgrace
Are
my
you saying
beliefs.
Supreme
When you
Court was
destroy
wrong?
another religion's
Are
place
you
of
saying
worship.
entire history is cooked up? Are you saying that? Are you
Hindutva
saying
is
Supreme
100
Court
years
did not
old.
pay attention to
Hinduism
the
is
evidence?
thousands of
Are
years
you
old.
saying
Please do not
Supreme
conflate
Court
Hinduism with
was
Hindutva.
depending on
Hinduism
the
has
mythology?
nothing to do with Hindutva. Hindutva is a
Oh.
hate-filled ideology. Hinduism
Okay,
is a
okay.
tolerant faith. Hinduism
Oh,
is
you
one
have
of
come
the
back to your
ancient
original
religions
ideas.
of this world.
So you were there in the
Hindutva
seminar of
is the
dismantling
ideology
Hindutva.
that you've been peddling for the last 100 years. Hindutva will never, ever take the place of Hinduism. Let me
And
assure
your
you.
kind of secularism which hates Hindus will work. Very good, you have exposed yourself. I thank you for coming on this
Yeah, I
debate.
have not exposed
because you
myself.
exposed yourself.
I am a Ram
You
Bhakt,
don't know,
and Lord Ram
you
would have
don't know
disapproved
that
of bringing down the
Hindus
Babri
shows
Masjid. I can
the
assure
best
you.
possible pluralism, the best possible respect for all the religions. Your own Muslim
Listen
leaders
to
have
Atal
insulted
Bihari
Bharat
Vajpayee.
Mata.
What
They
did
have
Atal
insulted
Bihari
Ram
Vajpayee
Ram
say?
Bhakts.
Ram
All
Raj
your
mein
Muslim
aisi
leaders,
cheezein
all
nahi
your
honi chahiye. What
Yadav
did Atal
have
Bihari
insulted
Vajpayee say
people.
to Narendra Modi
You can
after the
claim to be
riots?
Hindu
Ram Raj
only
mein
if you
aisi cheezein
respect
nahi
Hindu
honi chahiye.
sentiments. If you
Kalyan Singh
respect that
himself
there is a Ram
expressed
temple.
regret. He said the mosque should not have been brought down. Kalyan Singh himself expressed regret that the mosque should not have been brought down.
But the
He
question
never
is
said that.
no. The
Kalyan
question
Singh
is
was
not
proud of
about
it. He
Ram
never
temple
went back.
alone.
Why
did Kalyan
Let me
Singh
bring in
resign?
He took the
Anila. Let
responsibility.
me
Resign
bring in
then. He took
Anila ji of the
moral
BJP
responsibility and
also.
resigned.
You know, you have competition, Anila ji. The BJP has competition. You know,
Shivani,
whatever
my
said and
Ram-
done, you have competition when it comes to Uttar Pradesh and when it comes to who's Hindu or who's not, or who stands for Hindus or who's not. Because today, most politicians have no problem in exerting their overt Hinduness, as Arvind Kejriwal is doing. In the past, people may have criticized the Prime Minister for expressing his overt Hinduness by doing aartis, etc. But many others are following that model now.
My Ram to everyone. Shivani, I come from Western Uttar Pradesh, and there is a saying here: "Gud khaye gulgula se parej." Gulgula means it is sweet pakodis, you can say. So if you talk about Yadavji's party, or the person who is representing Yadavji's party here, or anybody, Mr. Kejriwal or Ms. Vadra, or any of those people who have got very set mindset. हम हिंदू हैं, हमसे बड़ा हिंदू कोई नहीं हो सकता है, पर हिंदुओं पे अगर कोई आक्रमण होगा तो हम मुंह पे टेप लगाकर बैठ जाएंगे, हाथ बांध कर बैठ जाएंगे. They are these type of Hindus, and because of this mindset, we Hindus have suffered 1200s of slavery.
Okay, let me bring in Deepak Bajpai of the Aam Aadmi Party who is joining us. Deepak ji, the criticism of the Aam Aadmi Party today is that it is also playing soft Hindutva as some other parties like Congress in the past have done. In fact, Arvind Kejriwal and Aam Aadmi Party have criticized that in the past. But yet you are playing the same card.
Yes, I can understand the discomfiture among the BJP cadre.
You didn't even
because
give me
Mahatma
30
Gandhi
seconds,
had.
This is very unfair. You
I'm
should
going to come back to you,
allow me to
ma'am.
speak,
I'm going to
Shivani.
come
That's
back to
what-
you, ma'am. Deepak.
1 minute. So I can understand the discomfiture because the same set of elements had almost divided India before independence. They had opposed Quit
What
India
type of
movement.
division you are talking
They
about,
had
Mr.
sided
Vajpayee?
by.
You see
One
the
minute,
same
please,
Kejriwal.
please.
No, I'm not going to
Let
allow
me
you to complete
speak.
that.
If
What
if
type of
this starts
dramatic
happening,
is going on?
Shivani,
One
please
second.
don't allow BJP to hijack your show.
No, this
That
I'm
is
not
what
asking
done,
you about
Shivani.
BJP.
Now BJP is
Ram
trying to
Lalla, but
hijack your
everybody is
show.
going to say
That
in
is
this
not
places.
done at all.
Nobody remembers that what he
These
said
are
about Ram
these
Lalla
are the
Mandir.
elements
He have
who
given
want
sacrifices.
to
I
steal
will
the
not let you
narrative.
speak here.
Now
I
the
will not let you
discomfiture is
speak here.
because they
What
have
madness is
created
going on?
a Samrajya of Kushashan, a Samrajya of
What is the
Bhrashtachar.
evidence of Aam Aadmi Party? What
In
they
One
do
Uttar
here in
second.
Delhi state.
Now they are
Statements
being
given
exposed
by
by the Aam
MLAs.
Aadmi Party. They are shit scared of the Aam
Forget
Aadmi
that.
Party.
You
That
said
is
you
the
have
precise
come in
reason
this
why they
state
have
and
slapped
you have to do
16
drama.
cases on our member of parliament
You
Sanjay
accept
Singh,
that?
include the case of treason. They are scared of Aam Aadmi Party because we have continuously exposed their corruption. We have exposed their corruption in Corona, in Jal Shakti Mantralaya and everywhere. Now they are faced with the issues of bad management of Corona, of corruption.
One by one, one second. I want both of you to be heard properly. Both of you, please stop. Deepak ji, Deepak ji, 1 second. Listen to me. Deepak,
you allow BJP to hijack your show.
Deepak, I'm coming to you. At least allow me to ask the question. Arvind Kejriwal, Deepak and me only, please. Arvind Kejriwal has said in the past that you cannot get development by building temples. Manish Sisodia has said that why do you need a temple in Ayodhya? Build a university. Will the question not arise today? Why are you going and visiting Ram Lalla?
Shivani, the problem is not that. Problem is that what Arvind Kejriwal said was right. BJP orchestrates riots in the country. That does not mean that it is approved by Lord Ram. They are the rioters.
No.
They
He
are the
said
people
we
who are
don't
trying
need
to
temple.
say, in my
Manish
heart and your
Sisodia
heart,
said we
hatred.
don't need a temple.
Allah.
Today you're playing on the same
Allow-
sentiments.
Shivani, would you please allow me to speak?
Go ahead.
Would you please allow me to speak? Would you please allow me to answer a question? Do you have 2 minutes to listen to me?
Deepak ji, go ahead.
Now allow me the answer. I will just answer your question. Number one, let me tell you that BJP, the party which orchestrates riots in India, their deeds are not approved by Ram. They killed thousands of people in 1992 through their Anushangik Sangatans. That was not approved by Ram. Lord Ram is for Ramai Keval Prem Pyara. Right? Yani it is the love which is approved by Ram and not hatred. They are mascots. They are ambassadors of hatred. Right? Ram is not ambassador of hatred. He is
Okay,
ambassador
but
of
you're
love.
not
Trust
answering
is
my
ambassador of
question.
love. They have absolutely nothing to do with love. Now
Sir,
you
I am
coming
not
to your
talking
question.
about
What
the
Arvind
BJP.
Kejriwal has said.
I am
Yes,
not
what
asking you
Arvind
about the
Kejriwal-
BJP.
Yes.
I am asking you about the shift that the Aam Aadmi Party has made. Please
Yes.
explain that.
No.
You derided the sentiment of wanting a temple in Ayodhya, but today you're playing on that sentiment.
No. What Arvind Kejriwal had said then was that there's no need, wait for Supreme Court's decision. BJP has not built the temple there. It was built by, the order of Supreme Court. Now it is being built, right? Killing people, demolishing structures, taking law onto your own hands is not something, I would approve or anybody approve or Lord Ram will approve. That is what BJP was resorting to. That was being opposed. Everybody in the country said, let Supreme Court take a decision, then go and build a temple. It is being built on the orders of the Supreme Court. BJP has absolutely no right to claim that they are building the temple, and you are allowing them this. Number two, that is what Arvind Kejriwal had said. That if
Okay,
you
I have to
demolish
give
the
others
structures,
opportunity
take law
now.
in your
Sir,
hands,
Deepak ji,
killing
you've
people.
joined late. I've given you enough time as I could, but I have to give 30 seconds to everybody else also. Anila Singh, please respond.
ये चुनावी जब चुनाव आता है ना कि चुनाव में सुमरन सब करे, बिन चुनाव सुमरन करे ना कोई, जो बिन चुनाव सुमरन करे राम उसी का होए। तो भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने सरकारें अपनी गंवाई हैं, कार सेवकों की जानें हम दी है, हमारे नेता जो हैं जेल में गए हैं, और आज ये केजरीवाल जी और यादव जी की पार्टी वाले खड़े हो गए झंडा लेके कि ये सबसे बड़े हिंदू है, रामलला के सबसे बड़े भक्त हैं।
अनिला जी, आपने हजारों लोगों की हत्याएं करवाई।
Arvind Kejriwal ji
You have
or
killed
people like
thousands of people
Akhilesh
in this
Yadav ji,
country.
they think that the people living in
You
Uttar
have
Pradesh,
carried
they are
out
poor.
mass murder.
They are going to play on the
carried
tunes
out mass murder.
of
Your
Yadav ji ki
people,
party or
your
Kejriwal
party
ji ki
leaders
party.
have been
Then I
convicted for mass
have
murders in
to
India.
assess.
Okay, I have to give 10 seconds each to Ratan Sharda and Abhishek. Ratan Sharda.
This gentleman is so thoroughly disgusting.
Sir, I have 10 seconds. Please make your point. Make your point.
Yes, Delhi faced the worst riots under their nose. Their own leaders were involved in the riots. We know that. He talks of Corona. Corona is nothing but corruption of Delhi government. They have sold power at claiming there is no coal. They have charged cracker. They are putting huge fines on people who fire crackers. They have got special teams to end the cracker in the Diwali. This they call as pro-Hindu.
I have to end there. I thank all of you for joining us. Thank you for joining us. Clearly, this is something that's going to be a pitch battle ahead of UP elections. Thanks a lot for watching.